Chapter 7 Religion. The universe is filled with wonderful creations. We simply cannot explain their presence and purpose. We look at the planets and are awestruck by their magnificence and precise movements. The sky, the earth, the oceans, and the huge mountains are beyond human understanding. The human body itself is inexplicable, to say nothing of the mind. All these tell us of the presence of a great architect or a great power whom we call God. There is an urgency in us to recognize and to honor this unseen power. Our relationship with this power is expressed through different practices and in various ways. This constitutes religion. In other words, religion is our belief in a supernatural power which controls this universe and everything in it. Different people have given different explanations about this supernatural being or power and pointed out different ways of paying tribute to it. These eventually give rise to different religions. Each group felt that their explanation was the only right one. Procedure and rituals followed by a particular group became the practices and rituals of a particular religion. Hence, we have several religions following different rituals and practices. We have Christians who follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. They follow the Bible, their holy book, and worship in church. They celebrate festivals like Christmas and Easter. The cross is very dear to them, as Jesus Christ died on a cross. There are Muslims who follow Islam, founded by Muhammad the Prophet. Their holy book is Quran. Hinduism is based on practices from immemorial times. Hindus follow the Vedas and believe in many gods. The Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana are considered its sacred books. The Sikhs are followers of Sikhism, founded by Guru Nanak. They worship in Gurudwaras and follow Adi Granth or Guru Granth Sahib, their sacred book. Buddhism was founded by Siddhartha Gautama, who is commonly called the Buddha. Buddhists believe in nirvana or salvation. Jainism is a religion followed by many people in India. It was founded by Jinas or conquerors, of whom Vardhaman Mahavira was the 24th and last one. They believe in and propagate ahimsa or non-violence. There are very many religions, with each having distinctive practices and ceremonies. Each group feels that their religion is the proper one. All religious beliefs cannot be rationally explained. However, there is nothing wrong in insisting on one's religious practices being the right one. What is wrong is to believe that all other practices and beliefs are wrong. It is very important to understand that religion is a connecting link between God and man, or between the Creator and the creature. The different religions are like different roads leading to the same end, God. All religions are the same in content. All teach about God's love for us and teach us to love God in return. No religion teaches us to hate others or to indulge in violence or cruelties. Therefore, it is important that we follow a religion and its practices. They help us to have a proper relation with God, our Creator. Our religion unites us with God. This is the same with every religion. It is wrong to look down upon or despise the religions or religion practices followed by others. If God has given you eyes, you will see that all paths lead to Him. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti.